guys. Welcome to the live. Mkoaje. Today I'm doing ghetto gourmet, like any live. Some chips. Ooh, yeah. Chicken. Mama had cow. Mama had chicken. Dad was proud. He didn't care how. Did y'all used to watch Cow and Chicken growing up? Ooh, yeah. Whenever I'm eating nice food, I'm never in the mood to be like filming the official little gourmet or anything like that. Oh, drip. I feel like you guys should be filming it. I like Joe. Not me in the other live showing you the contents of the things under my bed, which is not bad, but you need to meet this linen. Oh, this is blackcurrant. Nilinunua ile ya glass nikatransfer hapa. Ooh, taste the feeling. I've been in. Oh, Let's bless this food before we take it in Jesus' name. Pray and believe, amen. Mtafanya ni nyonge. Sorry. Not sorry. Oh my gosh. Guys, after this, on my subscriptions, in the live, I will continue. So subscribe. Subscribe for my TikTok. Subscribe to my YouTube. I think my TikTok subscription is like three coins. Or $3, which is 3 so. And you can access all my content. The things I don't want to show people. Kathriso tu, unaona vile nakuanga kashuzi fulani. I have so much laundry to do, guys. Well, I have so much laundry to do. Naambia, so much cleaning, and I'm not even in the mood for it. Like, people just like getting up and yes, kuna times me I'm kind of mood, but not daily. Plus I live alone. Vyombo ni za mtu mmoja. Na most time hadi sikulangi. Guys, niko na stress. But ni stress poa because God ananielevate. Nafaa kuhama duka. I'm supposed to shift shops. Because the owner of the shop I'm renting right now is asking for a crazy number for the rent. And I'm like, nigga, what? What? Bye. I'm not a fan of food the way I'd like to think. Like, wezi niteka juu ya food. Shashiba. In my last TikTok, nilikuwa nimehang nguo kwa mlango ya linuu sababu ya vile kunanyesha. Bado kuna manguo zingine because last week nilikuwa nimefanya laundry. Wait. That was like, that whole life was a mess. Na vile nilikuwa nimejibamba. Guys, my front camera is cracked, so I can't go live with my front camera. So right now this is in the comments, this is in the live. You can't even vlog to you. Mimi naweza kula kuku daily. Chicken. Cow. Cow and chicken. I need something new to watch, like a series to keep me busy. Not busy in that way, but to entertain me and keep my mind off my life. Just to sit there and rot and watch and watch and watch. I watched Love Island. 2024 USA. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I loved it. Love. Love, love, love. And Kanan is amazing. Leah was nice too. I didn't expect Serena and Cordell. Kanan and Nani, it's Cordell. I didn't think they'd win, but I wanted them to win. So that's that for lunch. I just noticed I keep flashing my bubs. Yeah, my bubs. Even on my other live, I was flashing. Like I couldn't post a segment of that vlog, of that live, because I tit flashed. I tit flashed. So I want to end this and start another live on my subscription page, Kazoze, if you know, you know. So I hope you subscribe and you get to see me in another light. Bye guys. Bye.